Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we're actually on a commercial project here, about to install Christmas lights. And if you see behind me, actually, let me turn around here. You're gonna see some of these lights that we've already mapped out here, lined them out. We're gonna start testing them, and then we're gonna start installing the lights. So stay tuned. And hey, if you wanna get more tips like this, subscribe, like the channel, and we'll be right back. On this particular Christmas lighting project, we are installing close to 1,000 C9 warm white LED bulbs on this commercial building here out here in North Texas, the Dallas area. And this is one of those projects that's really fun. The commercial projects are really neat to do because you can do a lot of lights in one spot, stay at that one location all day or half the day, whatever that is. And hey guys, if I'm out of breath here, we've been doing a lot of work here already. But again, this is October and we're in right now the third week of installations here for this Christmas lighting season. And sorry for the camera going kind of weird here, but guys, what's really cool about the commercial Christmas lighting projects is you can do, again, a lot of lights in one location, keep your crew, keep your guys at one spot. And the other thing that's really cool about commercial Christmas lighting projects, here's what it is. It's really cool because you're just climbing up one ladder most of the time, the riser room ladder, and then the whole installation, you're on a flat roof. As you can see here, we've got a flat roof here. And now there are some additional elevations here that we just use a small ladder. Let me just let you look at that whole project here. I don't know if you can see that whole thing. I'll turn the camera around here in just a second. But guys, to get the full training for how to start a Christmas lighting business, how to add Christmas lighting services to your existing business, how to just install Christmas lights. We have 3 options in the Christmas Lights for Profit course. And this is a course that I created over 23 years of installing Christmas lights professionally. And I actually have other courses that I've created as well. The reason why I do this is just to help you guys, so you don't have to go through all the pain and the struggles that I've had to go through with Christmas lighting. My whole life, I've kind of been a coach, a teacher. I write books, publish books, and you can find out more about that on my personal website at jeffjurina.com. But it's really just to help you guys. In the pro course, the Christmas Lights for Profit pro course has 55 plus videos where I walk you through step by step the whole Christmas lighting business. Now you can start that today, guys, and within 2 to 3 days, your Christmas lighting business is up and running. Maybe even a day. You could just go through one of the modules there and you'd be up and ready to estimate Christmas lights, to install Christmas lights, to remove them, what type of lights, everything that you need. And in fact, in that pro course, I even give you all the editable contract forms, the estimate forms, Christmas lighting swipe files, so you know exactly what to say to a new, existing, and potential customer for the install, the removal, repairs, everything that you guys need, storage, everything. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna turn the camera around here real quick, and I'm gonna close here by saying this. Guys, to check out that Christmas Lights for Profit course, go to christmaslightsdesign.com/install training, and the link's right below. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, and again, guys, subscribe and like the channel. Thanks a lot. Okay, so as you can see here, we're actually probably about 1/3 of the way through here with this installation here on this commercial Christmas lights, and we just have a couple of guys working today. I'm actually up here myself, and it's going pretty fast. And so let me just show you here. I'm going to turn the camera around here and just show you some of these lights that we've already installed. We've got a little bit ways to go here, and we've actually finished right to there. So we've done probably one side of this building, and again, that's close to 1,000 bulbs here on this particular project. Well, you may not be able to see right now, but we actually just finished this project. I'm going to turn the camera around in just a second. It took us 2 guys about 4.5 hours. There's a lot of lights here. We had to pull up, several ladders, not really tall ladders, but several ladders here just to get some of these high elevations back here behind me. But for the most part, this job was done without ladders. Probably about, I would say, 75% of it. And in this particular project here for Christmas lighting, this again is a commercial installation. If we didn't do some of the stuff that I talk about in the Christmas Lights for Profit Pro course, then this job would have taken us about 12 hours. And because we've done some stuff years ago, we actually been installing this project now for over 18 plus years. And over 18 years ago, we did some of the stuff that I talk about in the Christmas Lights for Profit Pro course version. And what I talk about there, you're gonna find in that course. And because of that, because of those steps that we did, now this project only takes us about 4 to 5 hours, and today about 4.5 hours, year in and year out. And then removing those lights is really, really fast when we take those lights down in January. So I'm gonna turn the camera around here and show you the rest of this project to let you know that we finished this Christmas lighting installation. And again, subscribe and like to the channel. And again, find out more about the Christmas Lights for Profit course, Christmas lighting contracts, business coaching that I help you out with. You can find out about all that on christmaslightsdesign.com/install training. And there's some other links in the description of this YouTube video. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. All right, I'm going to show you real quick here that we finished this project. You can see all these C9 Warmite LED bulbs on the top part of this building. Now, this is a stucco building, and there's certain ways that you have to do the installation so you do not damage the stucco, and to make it a lot easier year in and year out. Now, I'm going to be walking around some commercial air conditioners here, so you're going to hear a lot of noise. But here's the project. Again, 2 of us, me and one of the guys working for me, took us 4.5 hours to do this. That's the project.